My name is Kyle Mask, Loss Control Technician at Alicomp. We want to welcome you to our video series on the Focus 4. What exactly is the Focus 4? OSHA has identified the 4 hazards which are responsible for the most injuries and deaths on construction sites. And these 4 hazards are going to be fall hazards, electrical hazards, struck by hazards, and caught in between hazards. During this series, we're going to take a little time and specifically discuss each hazard and kind of go into detail about what you can do to help and prevent some of these hazards on your job site. Today I'm going to focus specifically on fall hazards. And every year falls continue to be a leading cause of death on construction sites and any workplace for that matter. So kind of to talk about what is a fall hazard exactly, it's technically defined as anything that could cause a worker to lose their balance and fall would be classified as a fall hazard. Some common fall hazards that you'll probably run across on any construction site are going to be your roof edges, floor openings, wall openings, improper scaffolds, improper ladders, and lastly, but often overlooked too, is poor housekeeping. A lot of times can cause a lot of fall hazards. So first we'll kind of talk about one of the fall hazards is going to be when you're working at heights, especially heights of 6 feet or greater. OSHA actually requires fall protection when working at these heights, whether it be harnesses, straps, or some kind of fall arrest system. Some kind of fall protection must be provided when you're working at heights of 6 feet or greater. You're going to be dealing with a lot of awkward working and walking surfaces on any construction site. So around any floor openings, wall openings, roof edges, that type of thing, you always want to ensure guardrails are around those so that way no one can fall in or fall through a wall. Next we'll talk about scaffolds a little bit. Another thing that OSHA states is that scaffolds must be designed by a competent person. They must have guardrails on any open ends and open sides. Another leading cause that we see every year is going to be ladders. So when you're dealing with ladders, you just kind of want to make sure those are being inspected those are being inspected daily with a inspection check sheet, or they're reporting to you that the ladders have been inspected. You want to make sure proper climbing techniques are being used, such as your 3-point stance and your 4 foot by 1 foot rule. And then lastly, as I said earlier, another overlooked fall hazard on any job site is going to be poor housekeeping. This can cause a lot of trip hazards in the area. Thank you for watching today. As always, feel free to check out our online safety library under the construction tab. You can find in more detail much more materials on any one of the Focus 4. As always, feel free to contact me or any of our loss control team to perform an assessment of your workplace to help you locate some of these hazards. Again, thank you for watching today, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.